Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest time-saving hacks that you can implement in your Power BI workflow. Welcome back to my video series on the Microsoft Fabric, where I'm currently studying for the DP 600 exam by making a video. All right, so what is this time-saving hack? Well, why don't I jump into the computer and show you. See, I have this file right here on my desktop, and if I right-click it and go Open With and Power BI Desktop, what you'll see is that Microsoft Power BI will automatically open up and connect to a data source. So, what is this? Well, this is a PBIS file, which is a Power BI connection data file. You can write these in JSON. So they're a freestanding format that has a schema. So like, for example, if I go right click here and I open in VS Code instead, you can see here that there's a schema where I'm telling it to connect to a file. Or what you can do is you can export these out from Microsoft Power BI by going down here and going to Transform Data, Data Settings, and then selecting a data connection and going Export PBIS. So for example, here on my desktop, there it is. I just exported a connection to my local host. So now when I go and I open this with Power BI, what do you know? It's going to refresh and it's going to open up a connection. So why is something like this useful? Well, in an enterprise scenario, you're typically only connecting to one or two data warehouses, and typically the connection that you are building with or creating is going to be pretty straightforward every single time. It's going to be repeatable. So instead of having to go into Power Query every single time and make the same connections to the same server, what you can do is you can export out a data connection and then just double click a file on your desktop. Did this save you time? If it did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching. I know today was a quick one, but we're going to be back sometime soon when talking about data flows in the Microsoft Power BI service.